Hey, 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 welcome back to In My Kitchen. Do you guys know what day is today? It is Soup Day, Saturday. Yay! So today I'm doing a shrimp and lobster soup. Yes, packed with lots of goodies. If you want to see the recipe, stay tuned for the video. In my kitchen, in my kitchen, welcome to Nessa kitchen. In my kitchen, in my kitchen, welcome to Nessa kitchen. In my kitchen, in my kitchen, welcome to Nessa kitchen. Nessa's world. I know it's been a while, guys, but trust and believe that I am back. So first, what you do is peel off the skin from your vegetable, which include your carrots, your pumpkin, your chocho, etc. And then you wash them thoroughly. And the next step is to also, cut them up small, depending on what you want or the size you want. If you want it to be big, if you want it to be small. But as you can see, I'm cutting mine into bite size. The reason for this is because this particular meal don't take a very long time to cook, and if you cut the food big, it's gonna take longer, and the shrimp will be overcooked. But we don't want that, right? And as you can see, I crushed my garlic and I'm dicing my onion because I really want that flavor to come out into the pot. And guys, 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 this dish is packed with lots of nutrients. You have omega-3 fatty acid, you have lots of protein, you have fiber, you have just one bag of something. So like this is the perfect meal, like to get all of your nutrients in one pot. And as you can see, guys, I'm now peeling my cocoa and my potato to dice it up and put it in the pot. So this is just the pre-prep part, and after this I'm just going to clean up my shrimp, my lobster, and get it ready for the pot. So here I have a pot of boiling water. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. I need a lot of salt because the cock soup and the fish tea will add additional salt. I'm going to add my pimento to the water, and then after that I'm just going to get my garlic and my onion into the water and my shrimp and lobster. I'm just going to now cover the pot so that it can come to a boil. Look at them having a grand time in that pot of water. Wow. So I'm just going to give it a stir, and I'm going to add all my ingredients such as my carrot, my corn, my chocho, my okra, my potato, my cocoa. Basically I'm just going to add almost everything. I'm also going to add the pumpkin so that it can get soft and give the soup that texture that I'm looking for. And then I'm going to leave that for a while. This dish wouldn't be complete without adding some spinners to the pot. Mamma mia, here we go again, stirring the pot with the lobster. Like, look at that, guys. Look at how the pot is bubbling. Like, you guys need to smell this. Like, it smells like heaven. Are you guys seeing that? Look at the color. Now that's the pumpkin speaking. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and add some spinners to the pot because this pot wouldn't be completed without some spinners in it. Yeah. Well, guys, you can see that my pot is almost ready. Look at the color, look at the texture, look at the bubbles. So it's time to season up my pot. I'm gonna add spoonful of cup noodle soup, and then I'm gonna add some fish tea. And guys, at first I added half of the pack of the fish tea. I later on added the rest of the fish tea because I tasted the pot and it just wanted a little bit more flavor, so I put more of the fish tea in there, and you will see that soon. Then you're going to add your scallion and thyme, your scotch bonnet pepper, and yeah, keep stirring. Guys, look at the texture of that soup. Like, look how rich and flavorful it is. Like, you can literally smell and taste the pot from where you are. Guys, you need to get up, go to the supermarket. Well, I know that it is, we're in a pandemic now, but after that panic shopping, you must can find some of these ingredients in your house. You know, you don't have to use lobster. You can use fish, you can use shrimp alone, you can just use lobster alone, you know. But guys, you definitely need to try this. It is smelling so good. I told you this was a quick dish, but look at that, guys. You know, I'm so ready to taste this. Are you ready to taste it? Are you ready to taste it? I know I am. So, guys, I'm just gonna have a little bowl here. I'm gonna give you the first share. So, I'm gonna put that lobster in your plate. You know, you need your corn, you need your okra, you need shrimp, you need your cocoa, your carrots, you need everything that is packed in that soup. So I just want to tell you guys thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so whenever I release a new video, you will be the first to know. And guys, if you tried it, comment down below. If you want me to do anything else, you know, comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video, what you think about this dish. Like, tell me if you like it. Thank you. Bye.